In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable ads from WPS Office. Ads in WPS Office can sometimes be distracting and interrupt your workflow, so it's understandable that you might want a cleaner, ad-free experience. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the ways to remove or manage ads, whether you are using the desktop version or web version. To begin, open the WPS Office application on your device. It is important to make sure you are logged into your account, as certain features, including ad management, are only available when you are signed in. Logging in also ensures that your documents and settings are safely synced across devices. Once you are signed in, navigate to the menu and look for the Premium section, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. This section contains all the subscription plans and special features offered by WPS Office, and it's where you can access settings for ad removal. It is important to note that currently there is no way to disable ads while using the free version of WPS Office. The only official method to remove ads is by upgrading to the Pro version. To do this, tap on the option to start the free 3-day trial. At this point, you will be prompted to add a payment method. Once the trial is activated, all advertisements will be automatically removed from your interface, and you will gain access to all the premium features, giving you a smoother and faster experience while working on your documents. Alternatively, if you were using the web version of WPS Office, you can block ads using browser extensions designed for this purpose. These ad blocking extensions prevent advertisements from loading, providing a cleaner and distraction-free interface. Make sure to install a trusted extension from a reputable source for the best results and optimal security. With this method, you can enjoy working in WPS Office without interruptions, even if you do not subscribe to the premium plan. By following these steps, you can either fully upgrade to Pro for a complete ad-free experience or use ad blocking extensions when accessing WPS Office online. Managing ads effectively will improve your productivity and make the platform much easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.